lockdown sing-song session enthusiasts out there. Good morning, West Coast of America. Good afternoon, Mid-America. And hello, everyone else. Good evening to Ireland, England, and wherever else you're joining in from. Today's song is one of my favourites, a song called Sullivan's John, and written by Pecker Dunne, who was a travelling. He was a member of the travelling community, and he travelled around Ireland and the world when he was discovered, playing his banjo and been a bard. You'd see him at all sorts of occasions like GAA matches and stuff like that. But then the Dubliners took him under his wing and kind of discovered him and brought him to a wider population. And so he was born on the 1st of April, which is the same birthday as me. So I'm delighted with that. And I had the pleasure and privilege of seeing him live a few times. When I used to work in Longford, he used to play a gig in a place called Norman Goods, a pub upstairs there on the main street. No longer exists, unfortunately. And anyway, I heard him sing this many times. But it's been covered as well by Christie and Damo and the Dubliners, of course. So Sullivan's John, especially for Barry Sutherland out there on the East Coast in Portland, Oregon, whose birthday it is today. Am I pixelating out there? Anyone tell me, am I pixelating? Because it looks jumpy to me, but I don't know. This is a new version of Facebook, so hopefully it's working. So anyway, we'll give this. And a strange thing happened. My phone no longer recognizes my thumb because I've washed my hands so much. My fingerprints are gone. So there you go. A little bit of trivia from freezing cold Sligo today. The sun is out now, but I'm perished. So Sullivan's John. And I hope I don't have to do this again tomorrow. Okay. Sullivan's John, to the road you've gone, far away from your native home. You've gone with the tinker's daughter all along the road to Rome. Sullivan's John, you won't stick it long till your belly will soon get slack, as you're out on the road with a mighty load and a toolbox on your back. I met Cathy Coffee and her neat baby behind on her back strapped on. She had an old ash planter in her hand for to drive the donkey on. Inquiring at every farmer's house as along the road she passed. Oh, where would I find an old pot to mend? Oh, where could I swap an ass? There's a hairy ass fair in the county Clare, in a place they call Spancel Hill, where my brother James got a rap of hens and then Paddy to ride to kill. They're loading him up in an old ass and cart, and Mary and Kate looked on. Oh, bad luck to the day that I went far away to join in the tinker's band. Oh, Sullivan's John, to the road you've gone, far away from your native home. You've gone with the tinker's daughter all along the road to Rome. Sullivan's John, you won't stick it long, till your belly will soon get slack, as you're out on the road with a mighty load and a toolbox on your back. Sullivan's John. Thank you, folks. It looked a little jumpy to me, so hopefully it went out according to plan. And tomorrow will be day 40, so I'll see you at the same time at 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, all going well. Thanks a million for joining me, and take care till next time. Bye.